Your kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying your body, balancing fluids, and maintaining overall health. If your kidneys are under strain or showing signs of damage, incorporating specific foods into your diet can support their healing and even reverse damage. Blueberries packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Blueberries help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. Their low potassium content also makes them a kidney-friendly fruit, perfect for promoting kidney health. Cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is rich in fiber and contains compounds like indoles and glucosinolates that help neutralize toxins. Cauliflower also supports kidney function by reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys with potassium or phosphorus. Red bell peppers. Low in potassium but high in vitamins A, C, and B6, red bell peppers are excellent for kidney health. They also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces the risk of kidney disease. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to your meals but also provides powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce kidney stress and lowers cholesterol, which can protect the kidneys from further damage. Fish. High in omega-3 fatty acids. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. These fatty acids also support heart health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their role in urinary tract health, but they also offer benefits for the kidneys. They help prevent urinary tract infections, which can lead to kidney damage if left untreated. Additionally, cranberries contain compounds that protect against bacteria and reduce the risk of kidney stones. By incorporating these 6 powerful foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps to reverse kidney damage and support your kidneys' long-term health. Remember, a balanced diet and regular checkups are key to maintaining optimal kidney function.